How to rotate video on Android. Have you ever captured a great video on your Android device only to realize it's oriented the wrong way? Whether it's sideways or upside down, it can be frustrating to view and share your video when they are not properly aligned. Rotating your video can make it easier to watch, share, and edit your footage, ensuring it looks perfect every time. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to rotate your video using the built-in tools on your Android device so you can quickly fix any orientation issues and get your videos looking just right. Step 1. Open the gallery where you have got the video that you want to rotate on your Android device. I already have opened this particular video that I want to rotate on my Android device. You also have to open it. After that, at the bottom of the screen, you will get multiple options. Tap Edit button. Once you tap Edit button, you will get option for crop. Tap crop. Now, next to the durations of this video, you will get the icon which help us to rotate videos on any direction. So let's continue tapping on it. You can easily choose any direction that you want to rotate on your video on. After you select rotating your videos, you can tap on the check mark or the tick mark icon at bottom right corner of the screen and you can successfully rotate video on your Android device. That is it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.